Hi students, welcome back to Chemistry Punitha channel. I already sent one video for the solid state problems. Calculate density for the crystals. Today I continue the problems solid state book back and book inside problems. See how will you calculate density for the crystals, different types of crystals for cesium, BCC, SCC, then FCC, like all the crystals. How will you calculate density using the different formulas and calculation method I will discuss to you. Okay, see the determine the density of cesium chloride. Determine the density of cesium chloride which crystallizes in a BCC type of structure with an edge length 412.1 pm. pm means 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. Okay, see what is the atomic mass of cesium chloride? See in the periodic table, mass of cesium is 133. Mass of cesium is 133. Then mass of chlorine is 35.5. Mass of chlorine is 35.5. The mass of cesium chloride is 168.5 gram mole inverse. Then see A. This is edge length. Edge length A is equal to 412.1 pm. pm means 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. You convert into the centimeter. That is 4.1. 4.121 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Here N. Number of atoms belongs to the BCC unit cell. Number of atoms in the BCC unit cell is 2. For BCC 2, FCC 4, then SC simple cubic unit cell is 1. Okay, see the row density formula is M, mass, atomic mass into N, number of atoms in the BCC unit cell by A cube, that is edge length A cube into Na Avogadro number. We substitute the values M, 168.5 gram mole inverse, then N value is 2. The A value is 4.121 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So that is cube because A cube the formula. So the whole cube into the Na value is Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 mole. Here see 168.5 gram mole inverse into 2. 168.5 into 2. Then 4.121 the whole cube. 4.121 the whole cube. Then 10 to the power of minus 8 the whole cube is 10 to the power of minus 24. Here 10 to the power of minus 23 is here. So minus 24 plus 23. Then you will get the 10 to the power of minus 1. Then multiply with the 4.121 and 6.023. You got the value and digit 1 more because 10 to the power of minus 1 you have. So the value is 42.15. Then the above value 168.5 into 2 you multiply and divide this both. Then you will get the value 7.995 gram centimeter minus 3. Gram centimeter minus 3 is the unit of density because here mole is cancelled, then gram is balance. Here centimeter cube is remaining. Centimeter cube this go in the upper side, this is inverse. So centimeter cube converts to centimeter minus 3. So the unit is gram centimeter minus 3. This is the density of the cesium chloride. Density of cesium chloride is 8 gram centimeter minus 3. Okay, see next one is face centered cubic solid of an element. Atomic mass is given 60, has a cube edge of 4 Armstrong. 4 Armstrong means 4 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Converts to Armstrong to meter. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Then calculates its density. The given value m is given, does not mention the metal, but the mass is given 60 gram mole inverse. A value is 4 Armstrong. You convert the centimeter. You convert Armstrong to meter means 4 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Here you want centimeter. So 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Then n value. What is the total number of atoms present? How many atoms present in the FCC unit cell? 4. So n value is 4 in the FCC. See, the m value is 60, then n value is 4, then a cube is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8 the whole cube, then Na is Avogadro number, 10 to the power of minus 8 the whole cube is 10 to the power of minus 24, here 10 to the power of minus 3 is there. So 10 to the power of minus 24, 10 to the power of plus 23, then you got 10 to the power of minus 1, then you multiply 60 into 4, 240, then multiply 4 into 6.023, 38.54, then finally you divide 240 by 38.54, you got 6.227 gram centimeter minus 3. Density of an element is 6.227 gram centimeter minus cube. Okay, see, this is 12th standard solid state book back questions. See, experiment shows that nickel oxide has formula Ni 0.96, nickel 0.96, then oxygen 1.00. What fraction of nickel exists as Na2 plus and Na3 plus? See, number of Na2 plus ion I consider as X. Then number of Na3 plus ion consider as Y. See, X plus Y is equal to 0.96. Then X is equal to 0.96 minus Y. The charge on Na2 plus ion and a charge on Na3 plus ion are balanced by the charge on oxygen 2 plus ion. See, Na2 plus, that is 2x, plus Na3 plus, that is 3y is equal to 2. So you multiply, we substitute the value x is equal to 0.96 minus y. So we substitute the x value, then multiply 2 into 0.96, 1.92, 2 into minus y, minus 2y, here plus 3y is equal to 2. So plus 3y minus 2y, you minus, then you will got the y only. So y is equal to 2, then 1.92 here goes to the minus 1.92, then you got the 0.08. That is y value. You substitute y value in the x formula. X is equal to 0.96 minus y. So you substitute the y value 0.08 in this equation. Then finally you got the x percentage. X value is 0.88. Okay. You calculate the percentage of Na2 plus in Na 0.96 and oxygen 1.00. Here the x value is 0.88 percentage. So that is multiply into 100 by the nickel value is 0.96. Then Na percentage of Na3 plus in nickel 0.96 and oxygen 1.00. What is the y value? 0.08 into for percentage. So into 100 by the overall nickel formula weight is 0.96. So you will get the 8.833 percentage of Na3 plus, then 91.67 of Na2 plus. That is the percentage of Na2 plus and Na3 plus. Okay. See the next one. An element has BCC structure with a cell edge of 288 pm. So A value is 288 pm. The density of the element is 7.2 gram centimeter minus 3. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? So edge length of BCC is equal to 288 pm, or how will you convert to centimeter? 2.88 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Then n value for BCC 2. Density is given 7.2. Then mass of the element is given 208 gram. We modify the density formula. Here you need to calculate the mass. atomic mass. So m is equal to a cube into rho into Na by n. What is the a cube value? 2.88 in 10 to the power of minus 8 the centimeter. So here whole cube. Then rho density value is 7.2 gram centimeter minus cube. So inge centimeter cube, inge centimeter minus cube cancel. Here you have gram only. Then what is the unit of Avogadro? Mole inverse. So Avogadro unit mole. So finally you have gram and mole inverse. The unit is gram mole inverse. Then you multiply. You first cube the value 2.88 in 10 to the power of minus 8 the whole cube value. 10 to the power of minus 8 the whole cube value is 10 to the power of minus 24. Here 10 to the power of plus 23. Then you have 10 to the power of minus 1 only. You multiply the all the values and move one digit. Then divided by 2. Finally you got the value is m value 51.795 gram mole inverse. Number of atoms of an element, mass by atomic mass. What is the formula? Number of atoms of an element, mass by atomic mass into Avogadro number. Number of atoms of present in 208 gram. So here mass, in the question they gave mass 208. Then you calculated the atomic mass is 51.795 into Avogadro number. Finally you got 2.418 into 10 to the power of 24 atoms. This is number of atoms present in 208 gram.